This is a mosaic of 4 images of Jupiter's rings taken by the Galileo spacecraft through the clear filter. The images were taken from a range of 2.3 million kilometers while the spacecraft was in Jupiter's shadow. They were taken from only 0.5 degrees above the ring plane and have a resolution of about 92 kilometers. The thin ring, extending from a radius of roughly 122,000 to 129,000 kilometers, is illuminated by scattered sunlight, indicating it is made of particles 1 micron or smaller in size. Most of the ring visible here is the main ring. The gossamer ring is outside the main ring and the lenticular halo inside. A faint mist of particles above and below the flat main ring is thought to be caused by electromagnetic forces. The arc on the right side of the image is Jupiter's limb, illuminated by sunlight scattered in Jupiter's upper atmosphere. The frame is roughly 60,000 kilometers across and north is up.
For daily video updates, subscribe to Only Facts.